Hi there, I'm Cassandra from Arcan Trailer and RV Center, and today I'm here to talk to you about the benefits of having a slide topper installed on your RV or travel trailer. A slide topper awning is a great way to protect your investment. Although not essential, it will help extend the longevity of your RV's life. What it is an awning that goes out over top of your slide room when you extend the slide. This will help protect the slide room from any debris, falling twigs, or leaves that fall on top of it while you're camping. Here we see a unit without a slide topper. We've added some debris similar to what you would see in a typical campsite. Just a few leaves, a branch or two, a little bit of water. This of course can be much worse if some wind or storm happens. As you can see, the unit has a rubber seal all the way around, which is in place to try and keep some of the debris from entering the unit when retracting the slide. As we bring the slide in, you can see it does help a little bit, but it's not 100% effective, and the rubber will be damaged over time, especially with branches, pine cones, etc. When that rubber gets damaged, it can easily result in water penetrating into the trailer, and we all know that water can be a trailer's worst nightmare. Here we have a unit that is equipped with a slide topper. Now that we've got the same debris, let's watch and see what happens when we bring the slide back in. No water, leaves, or anything else enters the unit, and the rubber slide seal is left untouched. Another added benefit to a slide topper is that it helps keep your trailer cool in the hot summer months as it blocks direct sunlight from hitting the roof. This is a fantastic way to keep your trailer in great condition for years to come. This is Cassandra from Arcan, and thank you for joining me today to talk about slide toppers and how they can protect your investment. Have a great day.